Hello, today we are discussing the topic linear congruence from the course Mathematics for IT. So, let's start the topic linear congruence. Okay, so all of you know what is the meaning of linear. Linear means x degree should be 1. Okay, for example, some of the equation you can see. For example, x power 1 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, this is x power is 1 here. So this is a linear equation, correct? We can write it is linear equation because power is 1, x power is 1. So linear equation. So if you are getting x power 1 equation, you know how to find the solution of this equation. X equal to 5 minus 1. You will get the solution. X equal to 5 minus 1, that means x equal to 4 is the solution, correct? X equal to 4. This is equation, correct? First degree equation, linear equation. Now same way, if you are writing a second degree equation, for example, x power 2 plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0, correct? Here power of x is 2, x power 2. So this is a quadratic equation, correct? Power 2 equation, quadratic equation. So in the previous courses we are studied how to find the solution of this type of equation. Now power 3, for example, x power 3 plus 8x plus 1 equal to 0 equation, correct? This is we are calling cubic equation because power 3. Okay, we are calling it is cubic equation. So these are all equation. Now here we need to study about the symbol, equation symbol. Here it is equation symbol, equal to symbol, correct? Now here the congruence symbol. So if you are getting a congruence equation, how can we find the solution of that congruence equation? Okay, that means if you are getting a congruence equation like, okay, a congruence is of the form ax congruent to b mod m is called a linear congruence, where a b belongs to z and m belongs to z plus. A b are integer, z means integers, and m is a positive integer and x is a variable, correct? From this we need to calculate what is x equal to, what is the solution of that linear congruence. Okay, so what is the linear congruence? So this equation part, this is now this section we are studying the congruence part. Okay, congruence equation, linear congruence. For congruence, linear congruence means a congruence is of the form ax congruent to b modulo m, correct? B mod m. So this type of equation, here see ax power 1, x power 1. So that is why this is we are calling linear congruent, linear because it is power 1, x power 1. Okay, so ax congruent to b mod m. So this congruence we are calling linear congruence equation. From here we need to consider what is the x number we need to find. Now especially here this section we are discussing, okay, the congruence equation ax congruent to b means we are taking 1 mod m. Okay, only we are discussing this section 4.5, only we are discussing b number equal to 1. Okay, b number equal to 1. So equation congruence, linear congruence is of the form ax congruent to 1 mod m. So if you are getting like this congruence, linear congruence, how can we find the solution of this linear congruence? That means from here what is the x value, x equal to how much, what are the solution? Okay, there are many solutions. So what are the solutions we need to find from here? ax congruent to 1 mod m. So you can see, so particularly we are taking the linear congruence ax congruent to, not equation, congruence. Okay, ax congruent to, because we are using congruent symbol, 1 mod m. Okay, so keep in our mind this one, ax congruent to 1 mod m. So from here we need to get what is the x number, x equal to, what is the solution of this linear congruence. Okay, so x value, x is congruent to what? Okay, so we need to calculate that one. Now here when we are considering b equal to 1, ax congruent to 1, correct? Ax congruent to 1. So this number, x number, we are calling the inverse of the number A. We are representing A inverse. Okay, we are calling inverse. Okay, inverse of the number A under modulo M. Okay, so X number we are calling another name A inverse number, because A multiply A inverse, A number and its inverse number congruent to 1 under mode M. Okay, A multiply A inverse equal to 1. That's why we are calling the second number X number, we are calling A inverse or inverse of the first number under modulo M. So here, okay, here if you are getting a congruence equation like this, okay, sometime the A inverse we are representing by using the symbol A bar or A dash. Okay, this symbol is commonly we are using, okay, A bar symbol, or sometime we are using A inverse like this, sometime we are using X symbol. Okay, so these three symbol keep in your mind. Find, so the question like this, find the solution. Sometime it is like this, find the solution X. Okay, X value we need to calculate, or sometime it is asking find the inverse, find the inverse of the number A, find the A inverse. Okay, A inverse, or we are calling A bar. Okay, A dash or A bar like this symbol. So these three symbol, okay, here in the same sense we are using X or A inverse or A bar symbol. Okay, both all these three are same value we are calculating in the linear congruence. Okay, so this is the main idea we are doing here. What is the X value, or what is the A inverse value, or A bar or A dash value is what. Okay, so if you are getting a congruence equation Ax congruent to 1 mod M, okay, what is the X? So what I told now, just now, it is written here, A inverse is said to be an inverse of a modulo M if A multiply A inverse congruent to 1 under modulo M, or we are using this symbol A multiply A bar or A dash. Okay, A dash congruent to 1 mod M. So we can use this symbol. So instead of X, or we are using A inverse symbol, or commonly we are using this symbol A bar symbol or A dash symbol. Okay, A bar symbol we are using. Now when we can find these values, okay, A inverse or A bar value or X value, when we can find, okay, an inverse of A inverse of the number A under modulo M exists whenever A and M are relatively prime. Okay, A inverse exists, A inverse or solution exists only this case when A and M are relatively prime. You remember the main meaning relatively prime. What is the meaning? The GCD of the number A and M should be 1, then only the solution exists. Okay, then only we can find the value X or A bar value. The GCD of A and M should be 1. That two numbers should be relatively prime. Okay, so what is the condition here? Just careful. If you are getting a congruence equation Ax congruent to 1 mod M, okay, B number we are taking 1 as I told you, Ax congruent to 1 mod M. If you are getting like this equation, like this congruence, linear congruence, so first what we need to check, our question is we need to find what is X solution, correct? Now to find X number, first what we need to check, the GCD of the number A and M. GCD of the number, this number A and M number, these two number, this should be equal to 1. Okay, then only the solution exists, then only we can find the X value. Okay, now once you check this number equal to 1, then you can go to the linear combination as we studied the last section. One question we did, but here we are studying more. So linear combination we are writing, from that linear combination we are finding what is the X value or A bar value or A inverse value, all are same. A inverse equal to how much? Okay, so this is what the procedure we are doing, X value or A bar value or A inverse value equal to how much we are calculating. So this is the procedure for solving linear congruence. Okay, for example, see example 1, find an inverse of 3. Find an inverse of 3 under modulo 7. That means the question is find the value of X such that 3x congruent to 1 mod 7. Inverse of 3, inverse of the number 3. That means a number is 3. Okay, so we can write 3x congruent to, here always it is 1, I told you, we are doing only that one, 1 mod 7. Okay, because inverse, because of that here it is 1. Okay, 3x congruent to 1 mod 7. So what is that x we need to calculate from here? So first, as I told you, see this example, you can just go through this example. This is the a number, ax congruent to 1 mod m. This is the m number, correct? Ax, because this is the linear congruence form, ax congruent to 1 mod m. Okay, so a number is 3, a number is 3 and m number equal to 7. So first what we need to check, as I told you, GCD of the number a and m. We are studied in the previous section by using Euclidean algorithm how to find the GCD of two number. So these two number GCD should be 1. That is first we need to check. See here we are finding the GCD by step. We got GCD equal to 1. After that we are writing the linear combination as we discussed in last section. From the linear combination we are finding what is the solution, what is the inverse, or minus 2 is the inverse of modulo 7, or 5 is the inverse under 3, so inverse of 3 under modulo 7. Okay, so this is the way for linear combination we are writing. After that we are finding what is the solution or what is the inverse of a under modulo 7. Okay, so this is the idea here we are doing. Okay, so 5 is the inverse of 3 under modulo 7. I will explain in the question. This is just an idea only. So we are getting one solution here. Here in questions all we are concentrating the solution. All the question we are concentrating the solution. One solution, one positive solution. 0 less than or equal to that x value less than the m number. Okay, less than the m number. Only we are finding the positive solution here, because linear congruence equation there are many solutions, but here only we are concentrating one positive solution. That means less than the modulo number. What is the solution? Okay, m number, less than m number, and 0 sometimes 0 less than or equal to x less than m. That solution only we are considering in this interval. Okay, so we will go to one question for practice so that only you can understand correctly. So this is one example, another. Okay, you can practice later. This one already answer is there. Once you understood the idea, you can check this one, these questions. Okay, see here little lengthy. So the answer is here 44. One number only we are written the solution. There are many solutions. 44 plus modulo number multiply k, k belongs to z. These are all solution, but only we are considering the solution, unique solution from 0 to the modulo number. Okay, 0 less than or equal to x less than 257 modulo number. Okay, so this only we are considering here. Okay, so let's start one question so that you can understood. Let's start the question. So this is the question. Solve the linear congruence, correct? Solve means solve. Solve means we need to find what is the x number, x equal to how much. Okay, so solve the linear congruence. Okay, solve the congruence is 35x congruent to 1 mod 86. 35x congruent to 1 mod 86. So what is the linear congruence form? Ax congruent to 1 mod m. Okay, so this is the general form of the linear congruence, Ax congruent to 1 mod m. So just write what is our a number and what is our m number. Okay, what is our a number? Ax, x behind number, that is a number, so 35. Okay, and what is our m number? Mod m, what is the number here? 86. Okay, so careful these two number first. A number means here 35, m number means here modulo number, that is 86. Now as I told you just before, first what we need to do here, first we need to check GCD of a and m should be 1. This is the first condition. After that linear combination, then we are writing the solution, correct? So first we are checking the GCD of these two numbers should be 1, a number and m number. Okay, so as I told you before, we are dividing the page into 3 like this. Okay, so first we are starting a and m number. Out of these two number, which is the big number, you can check it. 86 is the bigger number, this is the bigger number. So what we do, starting with 86, 86 divided by 35, bigger number divided by smaller number, 86 divided by 35. From the calculator you will get 2.457 like this going, correct? So write what is the quotient, what is the remainder. Quotient means this number 2 is the quotient, 2 point, correct, 2 number. Now what is the remainder? How we are calculating remainder? Opposite of the quotient, minus 2. Multiply the divisor number, multiply 35, correct? So you will get 16 here. We discussed more question last sections, all of you remember that one. So first step we are writing 86 equals, quotient number is 2, divisor number is 35, plus remainder number is 16. Okay, so 86 equal to 2 multiply 35 plus 16. Okay, now again we are considering this number 35 and 16 on the side. 35 divided by 16, bigger number divided by small number, 35 divided by 16, you will get 2.1875, this number. Okay, 2.1875. So from this quotient, what is the quotient number? 2, correct? What is the remainder number? You can check. What is the remainder number there? This number, opposite of the quotient, minus 2, multiply the divisor number 16. So what will be the answer? 3, correct? Remainder equal to 3. You can practice with me by using calculator. So the second step we can write 35 equals 2 is the quotient, multiply divisor number is 16 plus remainder number is 3. Okay, now again we are considering the number 16 and 3, these two numbers, 16 number and 3 number. So we can write 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3 means 5.33, like that it is going. So quotient number means 5. What will be the remainder number? You can check it. What we do, opposite of the quotient, minus 5, multiply the divisor number, that is 3. Okay, already 5.333 in your calculator. So subtract 5, multiply 3, so that you will get remainder equal to 1. So this step we can write 16 equal 5 multiply divisor number is 3 plus 1. Okay, now again one more step, this number 3 and 1, correct? So we can write here 3 divided by 1 means it is 3, there is no point part, 0, 3.0, correct? So what is the quotient? Quotient number equal to 3, and remainder means there is no decimal part, so remainder equal to 0, correct? So Q equal to 3, R equal to 0. So we can write the last step here, 3 equals, quotient is 3, multiply divisor is 1 plus remainder is 0. Now we can write the GCD now. So once you go to 0, last questions I told, 0 getting, we are stop the algorithm, Euclidean algorithm. Now we are writing what is the GCD of the number A and M. A means 35, M number means 86. So we got the last non-zero remainder. What is the last non-zero remainder? It is 1, this number, correct? 0 we cannot take, just before 0, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So last non-zero remainder is 1. So GCD is 1. GCD 1 means solution exists. Okay, solution exists because it is relatively prime, correct? GCD 1 means relatively prime. Relatively prime means solution exists. If you are not getting 1, there is no solution. Okay, there is no solution. Inverse, we cannot find the inverse that case. So solution exists here. Now we need to start the linear combination. So what I told, these 3 equation we need to write in the reverse order in remainder term. So from here 1 equal to, okay, 1 equal to 5 multiply 3, take to next side. So 16 minus 5 multiply 3, okay, plus 5 multiply 3 going to next side means minus 5 multiply 3. So 16 minus 5 multiply 3. Now second equation write 3, this number, 3 number. So 3 equals 2 multiply 16, take to next side. So 35 minus 2 multiply 16. first equation, write what is 16. So 16 equals, okay, you can check it, 16 equal 2 multiply 35, take to next side. So 86 minus 2 multiply 35. I hope you understood these three equation. We are writing in reverse order. Okay, 0 remainder coming, that equation no need to consider. All the other three equation write in reverse order. Now start from here, 1 equal this step. Okay, so I am going to next page, start from there. 1 equals, what was that equation? 1 equals 16 minus 5 multiply 3, correct? 16 minus 1 multiply, sorry, 5 multiply 3. Now what number we need to change next? Number 3. See, number 3 just change, substitute as 35 minus 2 multiply 16, this one. Okay, substitute as 35 minus 2 multiply 16. So 3 number we need to change here. So this number, this 3 number we are changing. So how to change? Equals 16 minus 5 multiply, after that use the closed bracket for easy calculation. 5 multiply, instead of 3 we can write 35 minus 2 multiply 16. Okay, I hope you understood from where we got this step. 3 equal 35 minus 2 multiply 16. Now expand the bracket, equals, what we do, this one we need to distribute here, distribute to here. Okay, so equal. Now only 16 means, what is the meaning? I told 1 multiply 16, that 16 number should be in bracket. 1 multiply 16, only 16 means 1 multiply 16. Now minus 5 multiply 35, 35 should be in bracket because it is bracketed number. 5 multiply 35. Now minus multiply minus, it become plus. 5 multiply 2, that is 10, in bracket 16. 10 multiply 16. Outside number only multiply, inside bracket number keep it same. Now we can do here 1 multiply 16 is there, here plus 10 multiply 16 is there. Okay, we can simplify that one on this side. So 1 multiply 16 plus 10 multiply 16. Okay, just add 16, write only one time. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 multiply 16. So we can replace that both as 11 multiply 16 minus 5 multiply 35. 5 multiply 35. I hope you understood that one. Now what is the next number we need to change? Next number is 16. We need to change this number, 16 number. 16 means 86 minus 2 multiply 35, correct? So this 16 number we need to change. Okay, so we can write equal 11 multiply, use the closed bracket, instead of 16. Okay, we can write 86 minus 2 multiply 35, close the bracket, minus 5 multiply 35, that is same. Now after this 11 distribute to the bracket first and second. So you will get equal 11 86 same in the bracket minus 11 multiply 2 means 22, 35 same in bracket minus 5 multiply 35 same we are writing. Okay, now same term we are simplify. Here see minus 22 multiply 35 and minus 5 multiply 35. You can do on the same side. Minus 22 multiply 35 minus 5 multiply 35. Correct? So 35 we are writing one time only. Minus 22 minus 5. Correct? Minus 22 minus 5 means minus 27. Okay, so what we will get equals 11 multiply 86, that is same, minus that two together minus 27 times 35. Okay, where we started from number 1, correct? Started from number 1. So we changed all the number here now. Now you can think this number, one number we are calling GCD number, correct? Because here we got GCD is 1. 1 changed, 3 changed, 16 changed now. Okay, now this 86 number and 35 number. What is 86 number actually? 86 means M number, correct? Here we wrote A number is 35, M number is 86, correct? So this is M number, this is A number. Okay, so always it will be like this. One side, left side always GCD number, right side M number and A number. Okay, it should not be in order. Sometimes A coming first, M coming second, no problem. Anyway, so M and A should be there inside the bracket. Okay, now we are writing the solution now. Okay, so this step, up to this step, I hope it is okay to you, it is clear to you. So now we are writing the solution. Okay, solution is X. Okay, just to think about the last step. What is the last step we got? 1 equals 11 multiply 86 minus 27 multiply 35. Okay, so as I told, this number is the GCD number and this number is the M number, this number is the A number, correct? Now solution means, what is our linear congruence? AX congruent to 1 mod M, correct? This is the congruence, linear congruence. Now what is the X value is, what is the number coming together with A? What is the number coming together with A? AX. See here, A together coming number is minus 27. Minus 27 multiply A. This number is the X number. So we can write X is congruent to minus 27. Okay. Instead of equal to, we are using congruent. If we are using equal to also, no problem. So X is congruent to minus 27. We got the answer now. We got the solution, minus 27. But as I told you before, we want the positive solution. Okay, we want the positive solution. Okay, that means the solution, we need to write the solution 0 less than or equal to X less than M number. What is the modulo number here? 86, correct? So less than 86, more than 0. What is that number? We need to calculate that number. We don't want negative. This is also a solution, correct answer only. So what you do now, if you got a minus number answer, just take mode, whatever the mode number in our question, mode 86, this question, correct? Mode 86, 1 mode 86, so same number. So we can write mode 86, okay, minus 27 mode 86. Why we are taken? Because the solution is negative here. We want the positive solution such that 0 less than or equal to X less than M number. Now what you do, minus 27 mode 86. You know how to calculate mode. Mode means, what is the meaning mode? Mode means the remainder. You know how to calculate the remainder. So there are two ways here when we are doing. You can do as usual, before 4.2 section we are studied, minus 27 divided by 86, like this, correct? Minus 27 divided by 86. So when you are getting your calculator, it is minus 0.3139, like this, correct? And you remember this in 4.2 we are studied. Moreover, this number is negative number here. Negative means what will be the quotient we are studied? This number, this integer number, that is 0, minus 1, correct? Default we need to subtract 1. So minus 1 is the quotient. Now after that you need to calculate what is the remainder. How we are calculating the remainder? Opposite of the quotient number. So this number, opposite of the quotient. Opposite of minus 1 means plus 1. Multiply the divisor number, 86. Okay, multiply 86. I will show again. So this number already there in your calculator. Opposite of the quotient number means plus 1. Multiply the divisor number means 86. You will get the number 59. This is the remainder number. Okay, or this is the answer. Now like this you can do. Otherwise what you do now, this number and this number plus, okay, just add these two numbers. Minus 27 plus 86, that also correctly you will get. This is the shortcut actually. So X, what is the X number you are getting? 59. This is the solution. X equal to 59 is the solution. So there are two ways to find that mode number. Either you just minus 27 plus 86, 59. Otherwise, usual way, whatever we are studied in 4.2, same idea, like this remainder we need to calculate. Okay, so both are getting same number only, and always careful, here we are finding only positive solution. That means the solution 0 less than or equal to x less than the modulo number. What is the modulo number? 86. Below 86 and more than 0. See 59. So 59 is in between these two numbers, correct? So this is the answer we are finding. Now if you want more solution, what we do now? Here we are not concentrating that one. If you want more solution, what we do, this number 59 plus 86 modulo number multiply k, where k is an integer. Any number you can substitute as k, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. So that are all solution. Okay, so no need to go that more side. Only here we can do x equal to 59 is the solution. I hope you understood this question. Now we will go to the second question. Solve the linear congruence. See, congruence 144x congruent to 1 mod 23. 144x congruent to 1 mod 23. Now we can practice. So linear congruence means ax congruent to 1 mod m. Correct? This is the linear congruence general form. So just write what is our a number and what is our m number. A number is 144. What is our m number? 23, mod number. Correct? So we will start now the calculation part. First we are checking the GCD of the number a and m number. GCD of a and m number first we are checking. So we need to divide 144 divided by 23, bigger number divided by small number. This is the big number divided by small number 23. So from calculator you will get 6.260 like this, correct? So what is the quotient? 6. What is the remainder? Remainder means opposite of the quotient number, 6 opposite minus 6, multiply the divisor number 23. So you will get equal to 6. Quotient also 6, remainder also 6 we are getting. So first step, 144 equals quotient is 6, divisor is 23 plus remainder is 6, correct? Now take this number 23 and 6. So 23 divided by 6 equals 3.833 like this going, correct? So what is the quotient? Quotient is 3. What will be the remainder? You can check it. Opposite of the quotient minus 3. This number minus 3 multiply 6. So you will get remainder equal to 5. I hope you are getting. You can try same with me. So 23 equals 3 times divisor number is 6 plus remainder number is 5. Now again we are considering the number 6 and 5, these two number, correct? So 6 divided by 5, we will get it 1.2. So quotient equal to 1. Remainder means opposite of the quotient number, that is minus 1. Multiply the divisor number 5. Okay, I hope you are now more easy that one, this calculation. So remainder is 1. So we will get 6 equals 1 multiply 5 plus 1. Now same way we are taking the number 5 and 1. So 5 divided by 1, it is 5. There is no point part, so 5.0. So quotient is 5. There is no decimal part, so remainder is 0, correct? So we can write here 5 equals 5 times quotient is 5, divisor is 1 plus remainder is 0. So once we go to 0, we are stopping. Now we are writing what is our GCD just before remainder, correct? Non-zero remainder last. So GCD is 1. GCD of the number A and M, that is 144 and 23 equals 1. So solution exists, correct? Relatively prime, so solution exists. Okay, solution exists. Now as I told you, so first part is over now. Now we are going to linear combination part. So this step we need to write reverse order. This also, this part also we need to write in reverse order, correct? So first 1 equals 6 minus 1 multiply 5, correct? 1 multiply 5 take to next side. So 6 minus 1 multiply 5. Now from here 5 we are writing 5 equals 3 multiply 6 take to next side. So 23 minus 3 multiply 6. Here also 6 multiply 3, 23 take to next side. So 6 equals 144 minus 6 multiply 23. Okay. So these three steps we are written in reverse order. Remainder we are written. Remainder equal to, correct. Now starting from this step, 1 equal to, so we can start here. 1 equal to 6 minus 1 multiply 5, correct? 1 multiply 5. Now which number we need to change next? You can see 5 number, correct? 5 number equals 23 minus 3 multiply 6. So we can write here this 5 number we are changing, this one change. Okay, so change using what we need to change, because 5 equals 23 minus 3 multiply 6. Already we written last page. Okay, so equal 6 minus 1, use the closed bracket, 23 minus 3 multiply 6. Hope you understood that one. Now this 1 minus 1 distribute to here both the terms. So equals, actually 6 means 1 multiply 6. Don't forget, only number means 1 multiply that number. Put that number in bracket, 1 multiply 6. Now minus 1 multiply 23 in bracket. Minus multiply minus means plus, don't forget. 1 multiply 3, 3. 6 same. Outside number only we are multiplying. Now simplify here. Here 1 multiply 6 is there, plus 3 multiply 6 is there. So 1 multiply 6 plus 3 multiply 6. So totally 6 write only one time. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 multiply 6. Correct? Hope you understood. Equals 4 multiply 6 minus 1 multiply 23. Okay. Now next which number we need to change? 6. 6 means what is 6? 144 minus 6 multiply 23. So 6 number, this number we need to change. Okay. So we can write equal 4 multiply, use this bracket, 6 means 144 minus 6 multiply 23, that minus 1 multiply 23 same. Okay. Now distribute this 4 into the bracket. So what we got? Equals 4 multiply 144 same, minus 4 multiply 6, 24. Bracketed number same, 23. Last minus 1 multiply 23. Correct? Now same numbers we can add. See, minus 24 multiply 23 is here. Minus 1 multiply 23 is here. Minus 24 multiply 23 minus 1 multiply 23. So how much it will be? 23 same, correct? Minus 24 minus 1 means minus 25. So we can replace that, equals 4 multiply 144 minus 25 multiply 23 together, correct? So where we started? Started from number 1. So number 1 we are started, correct? So this number, GCD number 144 and 23. What are the number 144 and 23? 144 means A number. 23 means M number. Okay. So this is A, this is M number. See here, A coming first, M coming second. So no problem that one. So A 144, M number 23. Now we are writing the solution. We are writing the answer. Okay. So solution is x equals, okay, what I told, Ax congruent to 1 mod M. Correct. So what is the number together with A? Together with the A, what is the number? Ax. See, A behind the number, this number. This is the x number. Ax. Okay. So x equal to, solution is x equal to 4 under modulo 23. Okay. So this is the solution, positive solution. Okay. Solution less than 23. Okay. 0 less than, keep in our mind this condition, 0 less than or equal to x less than the modulo number 23. Okay. So below 23, number is 4 here getting. So this is the answer. Hope you understood this one, how to find the solution. Okay, now let me practice one or two questions more. So next one, 15x congruent to 1 mod 43. 15x congruent to 1 mod 43. So here solve x number, correct? So Ax congruent to 1 mod M. So what is the A number? A number is 15. What is the M number? 43. Okay. So first check relatively prime or not, GCD 1 getting or not. So 15 and 43, out of this 43 is the bigger number. So 43 divided by 15, bigger number divided by small number, you will get 2.866 like this. So quotient equal to 2. Remainder we need to calculate. What we do, opposite of the quotient, this number opposite of quotient is -2, multiply divisor number is 15. So remainder is 13. So first step, 43 equals, quotient number is 2, divisor number is 15 plus remainder number is 13. Okay, now we take this number 15 and 13. So 15 divided by 13 equals 1.153 like this going. So quotient is 1 because 1 point. Remainder, we need to check what is the remainder. Remainder means opposite of the quotient -1, multiply the divisor number 13. So you will get remainder equal to 2. So how to write the next step? 15 equals, quotient is 1, divisor is 13 plus remainder is 2. Hope you understood. Now take the number 13 and 2. So we can divide 13 divided by 2 equals 6.5. So quotient equal to 6. Remainder you can check by calculator. Opposite of 6 minus 6. Multiply the divisor number 2. So you will get 1. So 13 equals, quotient is 6, divisor is 2 plus remainder is 1. Now we take the number 2 and 1. So 2 divided by 1 means 2. There is no fraction. So 2.0. So quotient is 2. Remainder equal to 0. Correct? Remainder equal to 0. So how can we write the last step? 2 equals 2 multiply divisor number is 1 plus remainder number 0. Once you go to 0, we can stop that Euclidean algorithm. We can write the GCD just before that 0. What is the remainder? 1. Correct? So GCD of the number 15 and 43 equals 1. So solution exists. Correct? Inverse exists. solution exists. Now we are writing in reverse order this step, this and this, correct? So from here 1 is the remainder, so 1 equal 6 multiply 2, take to next side, so 13 minus 6 multiply 2. From here 2 equals 15 minus 1 multiply 13, correct? 1 multiply 13, take to next side. Here 2 multiply 15, take to next side. So 13 equals 43 minus 2 multiply 15. Okay. Now starting from this step for getting solution. So 1 equals 13 minus 6 multiply 2. Okay. Now which number we need to change? 2 number, this number, correct? So 2 means what we need to use? 15 minus 1 multiply 13. So I can do here, this 2 number we need to change. So equals 13 minus 6, use the closed bracket. 2 means 15 minus 1 multiply 13. Now you can expand this bracket, this and this, multiply. So equals 13 means only number means, as I told, 1 multiply 13 minus 6 multiply 15 in bracket, minus into minus plus 1 multiply 6, 13 in bracket. Okay, 13 in bracket. Now add the same terms. What are the same terms? 1 multiply 13 is here, plus 6 multiply 13 is here. 1 multiply 13 plus 6 multiply 13. How much it will come? 13 same, 6 plus 1, 7. So we can write equals 7 multiply 13 minus 6 multiply 15. Okay, now which number we need to change? 13. See this number. 13 means what? 43 minus 2 multiply 15. So we can change that number now, 13 number, this number, okay, as I told you, because we need to change 13. So we can write equals 7 multiply 13 means 43 minus 2 multiply 15 minus 6 multiply 15, same. Expand this bracket, multiply this, so you will get it equals 7, 43 in bracket, minus 7 multiply 2 means 14, 15 in bracket, minus 6 multiply 15, correct? Now add the same terms. What are the same terms here? Minus 14 multiply 15 minus 6 multiply 15, minus 14 multiply 15 minus 6 multiply 15. So when we are adding 15 same, minus 14 minus 6 means minus 20. Okay, so we can write last step equals 7 multiply 43 same minus 20 multiply 15, correct? Started from number 1. So all number we are changed now. So this number, this is GCD, 43 and 15. You know what is 43 and 15 in the beginning? 15 means A, 43 means M number, correct? 43 means M number, this is A number. So A, M and GCD, both all numbers are there. Now as I told you, we need to write this solution now. How to check? AX congruent to 1 mod M, correct? So what is the number together with A? That is the solution. So we can write solution is X congruent to, solution is X congruent to A together number. Together with A, what is the number? What is the number together with a? Minus 20. This is x, correct? Minus 20. So x congruent to minus 20. Here number is negative. So number negative means what I told. This is the correct one, but we need a positive solution. So minus 20 means just to take mode. Mod m. What is our m here? Mod 43. Correct? Mod 43. Now as I told you, we can calculate this number in two ways. Either you add this minus 20 plus 43, these two number, you will get the number. So the solution x equals minus 20 plus 43 means you will get 23. This is the answer. X equal to 23 is the solution. Okay. Or what you do, minus 20 divided by 43. Whatever we are studied before, we need to calculate the remainder. So you will get minus 0.465 like this. Okay. Here we need to careful. Number is negative here. Number is negative. So Q number equals this number minus 1. Don't forget minus 1. 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Correct. Now remainder when we are calculating, okay, remainder equal to what you do, opposite of the quotient. So this number plus 1, opposite of the minus 1 is plus 1. Multiply the divisor number. What is the divisor number there? 43. 43, correct? So that you will get the number 23, same number. Okay, same number you will get 23. So either you can use this way, or as I told you, the shortcut way, minus 20 plus 43 also you will get 23. So this is the solution here. I hope you understood this one. Okay, one more question we will do, the last one. Question number 1D. Okay, solve the congruencies. 23x congruent to 1 mod 100. Ax congruent to 1 mod m, correct? So A number 23, m number 100. Okay. So 100 is the bigger number. So 100 divided by 23 first. That is 4.347. You will get it. So quotient equal 4. Remainder when we are calculating, opposite of the quotient minus 4. Multiply 23. You will get 8. So we can write 100 equals 4 times, quotient is 4 times divisor number 23 plus 8 number. Now 23 and 8 we will select. 23 divided by 8, 2.875. So the quotient is 2. Remainder we can calculate, opposite of the quotient, multiply the divisor number 8, you will get 7. So 23 equals 2 times 8 plus 7, correct? Now 8 over 7 equals 1.142, like this going. So quotient equal to 1. Remainder is opposite minus 1, multiply divisor is 7, so 1. So this step becomes 8 equals 1 multiply 7 plus 1. Now after 7 and 1, 7 over 1 means 7. There is no decimal part, so 7.0. So quotient will be 7. There is no decimal means remainder will be 0. So we can write 7 equals 7 multiply 1 plus 0. Once you got 0, we will stop here. Now the number just before 0, non-zero remainder. This is the GCD. So GCD is 1 here also. 23 and 100, GCD is 1. So relatively prime. So solution exists. Correct? Solution exists. Okay. Now write in the reverse order all the steps. 1 first write in reverse. 1 equals 8 minus 1 multiply 7. Here 7. 7 equals 23 minus 2 multiply 8. Here 8 equals 100 minus 4 multiply 23. Correct? All we written in the reverse order. Now we will start the calculation from this step. 1 equals. So we can write 1 equals 8 minus 1 multiply 7. Correct? Now we need to change this number 7 as usual. 7. 7 means this one, 23 minus 2 multiply 8. So we can write equals 8 minus 1, use this bracket, 23 minus 2 multiply 8. Now expand the bracket, 1 multiply 23 and here 1 multiply 2. So you will get equal, only 8 means write 1 multiply 8 minus 1 multiply 23 should be in bracket, minus multiply minus plus 1 multiply 2, 8 should be in bracket. Now 1 multiply 8 here plus 2 multiply 8 here, add that together, 1 multiply 8 plus 2 multiply 8. So 8 only write one time, 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we can write equals 3 multiply 8 minus 1 multiply 23. Now next number we need to change 8, number 8 as 100 minus 4 multiply 23. So this 8 we need to change. So we can write equals 3 multiply, instead of 8 we are writing 100 minus 4 multiply 23 minus 1 multiply 23 same. Okay, now expand the bracket, 3 multiply 100 and here expand. So you will get 3 multiply 100 minus 4 multiply 3 means 12. Multiply 23 in bracket minus 1 multiply 23. Now these two, minus 12 multiply 23 and minus 1 multiply 23 together. Minus 12 multiply 23 minus 1 multiply 23. Adding 23 same. Minus 12 minus 1 means minus 13. So we can write equals 3 multiply 100 minus 13 multiply 23. Started from number 1, correct? So this number 1 is the GCD number. 100 and 23, what are the number 100 and 23? 100 means the M number, 23 means A number. 23 is A, 100 is M number. So we need to write this solution. So keep in your mind AX congruent to 1 mod M. Okay, so AX, what is the number together with the A? That is the solution, correct? So what is the number here together with we can see this number minus 13, correct? AX, so minus 13. So we can write solution is X congruent to minus 13, correct? Minus number it is, so we need to take mod M number is 100, mod 100, correct? Minus 13 mod 100. Now you can use the short way, or you can find as usual. If you are adding this minus 13 and 100, you will get the answer. What will be the answer? X equals 87 is the solution. Okay. Otherwise, what you need to do? Minus 13 divided by 100. Normal way. Okay. So minus 0.13 you will get it. So quotient means, what do you write? Quotient. Here number is negative. So this number 0 minus 1 default. So minus 1. Now you can check what is the remainder. What we need to do for the remainder? Opposite of the quotient. Quotient is minus 1. So opposite means plus 1. Okay. Then multiply with the divisor number. What is the divisor? 100. Multiply with the 100. So you will get 87. Okay. So this way also you can calculate it. So both way same answer, x equal to 87 is the solution. So x equal to 87, or we can write, as I told you in the beginning, A inverse equal to 87, or A bar. Okay, A bar equal to 87. Okay, these are all same, because sometime question asking A inverse, or sometime it is asking A bar. Okay, so all are solutions, different notation, sometime A inverse notation, sometime A bar notation. So I hope you understood the question, how to find the solution of linear congruence in this section. So this is only the idea here. Mainly, okay, to find the solution of linear congruence, first we need to find the GCD should be 1, A and M GCD should be 1, and after that linear combination, right, then we are writing solution. And here only we are considered AX congruent to 1 mod M. Okay, not all the linear congruence, only B number is 1, AX congruent to 1 mod M. Okay, so I hope you understood this class. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, please share it to others also. Thank you very much.